kumakain na ng chocolate yung aking mahal na anak.
Chocolate?
Yeah, chocolate. And meron naman siyang bagong.
And now I go.
Bagong dal, guys. Alas kasing laki niya. Alas kasing laki niya. So, ayan. Diba? So, at saka ayan. So, nag-sell sila worth of $20. 20 before, ngayon 10 na lang.
So, I have a question for you. I've purchased a strut here for
1999, so 999 na lang. So,
Chevy Malibu. I don't know if you can check my records.
Para meron siyang
maybe about 2 weeks ago or so.
You like it?
I'm on the road. That's why I don't have a VIN number to give you. That's why I'm on the road. That's why I was checking
Same
to see if
dress
you
too.
backtrack.
You're pink. Yeah. She's pink too. Busy man siya kakain sa kanyang water.
Well, the steering gear, right. What about the strut? I was trying to...
Sa aming anak. Give me. Let me help you. Imo naman ang
steering gear off.
Yeah,
whatever you want.
Coins.
Hi, Bug.
Say hi, Black. Say hi, Black.
Hi.
Taro nga po na yung camera.
Hi, Bug.
When you're vlogging, hold the camera.
Hi.
You own the camera. You own the phone. So, yeah, make sure you hold the camera like that and you say, hi, Black.
Hi, Bug.
Make sure that you show your face. So, what can you say?
Hi, Bug.
It's not like that. When you're making vlog, it's not like that you're like that showing your mouth, your lips. You can say, hi, vlog. How are you today? Hi, everyone. Say hi, everyone. It's not like that.
Hi, Bug.
That's a girl scar, ain't it? That's what we He's pimping up. I mean, I ain't gonna lie. If I had it, I'd drive it, but
Hey, that's cool.
It's little.
Yeah, that look masculine too.
He looks like he can hardly move, huh?
Mark.
Yeah.
Maybe high, man. Y'all always
Something.
I mean, I didn't even know I already like him too much.
Agay, asan naman ka, squirrel?
We're playing, Mom.
Yeah, they're playing. Right there. Squirrel, come back. They're gone.
Baby.